Farm Animals by Mrs. Creedon's class.
Pigs, Pink, Pretty, Muddy. Pigs by Ashley. Pigs, Pink, Brown, Muddy. Pigs by Zabdi. Cows, brown, cute, big. Cows by Jacob Bell. Chickens, big, cute, brown. Chickens by Mia. Chicks, fluffy, cute, yellow chicks by Olivia. Cows, brown, beautiful, and pretty. Cows by Sean. Chickens, fluffy, flappy, yellow chickens by Ryan. Pigs, pretty, beautiful, muddy. Pigs by Nate. Pigs, messy, pink, beautiful pigs by Jacob G. Chickens, lay eggs, cluck, brown chickens by Jacob D. Chicks, yellow, big, soft chicks by Megan. Sheep, white, soft, beautiful sheep by Annie. Chicks, cute, pretty, little chicks by Amanda. Ducks swim, nice, big, and ducks by Cole. Ducks, nice, beaks, yellow, ducks by Daniel. Cows, beautiful, stinky, pretty. Cows by Jameson. Pigs, pink, muddy, good. Pigs by Abigail. Chickens, fluffy, pretty, beaks, chicken by Maria. Ducks, yellow, swim, little ducks by Madison R. Pigs, messy, pink, beautiful pigs by Madison S. Goats, brown, horn, nice goats by John. Chickens, beautiful, soft, fluffy chickens by Karen.